Uploading captions to Canvas. This is an update from last year because Canvas now has a new RCE, which is short for Rich Content Editor. That I say this, I've said this before, but that's a term I'd like you guys, if you use Canvas, to be familiar with, RCE, just because it's kind of used all over Canvas. Essentially, you want to, if you upload a video, sort of the normal way that you upload a video using the RCE, you can then click on the video and you'll get this very subtle little pop-up that says video options, and that is where you can upload your caption file. I do not recommend using SRT files with Canvas because they will not work on Apple mobile devices. So any of your students who have an iPhone and they try to watch your video, it won't work. So for Canvas specifically, I recommend using VTT. And then if you still have videos in Canvas that were uploaded using the old RCE, those instructions on the previous slide may not work for you. You may have to do it this way. So I'm just gonna put that slide up there so that it's in the recording. You can pause the video and have those instructions. And I will send this PowerPoint out as well.